Hello and welcome to today's video all about a very awesome, cool tech tool that I want to share with you. In this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new, well, it's not really brand new, but new to me. It's a cool tech tool that's going to engage your students and really bring about some really good math conversation. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade math and Algebra 1. I want to share with you a brand new to me cool tech tool that I just discovered and that I will be using on the regs in my classroom. So are you ready to learn about it? Okay, it is called Countle. Countle. Okay, so it is spelled like count, C-O-U-N-T-L-E, and it is just daily math. It's a daily math puzzle. So this is going to be such a fun activity for you to use either at the beginning of the period or at the end if you have like just a few minutes left before the bell's going to ring. And it's just going to really get students to talk about it because, okay, so here's how it works. The target number is 514, and I actually haven't done this, so I don't know the answer. And the great thing is that there are several ways to get to this, I'm sure. So today's target number is 514. You will use as many or as little numbers that you are given up here with all four operations. No decimals, no fractions, nothing like that. And the whole point is to get to 514. So for example, if you're asking your students like, okay, so where should we start? Like what number do we want to start with? We can't like combine and make it like 79. It's just 4, 7, 9, 8, 7, 5. Okay. So I'm gonna start with 5 times 8. All right. So now I got 72, and you can use any of them up here, or you can use the 72. So I don't know, I'm going to use the 72 and I got to get close to 514. So what's 72 times 7, 504. If you don't like that, you can just delete that and then start the row again. So 360. All right, what's 360 times 7? Ooh, that's too much. Okay. So maybe I want to do 72 times 7, 504. Then I have 500 and let's see. So I need to get 14. So 7 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That would get me to 12 plus 4 would get me to 16. 9 would get me to 13. 11. Oh my gosh. So I don't know. I'm going to need some more time to like think about this because it's not really working. I don't know. I mean, I'm literally doing this live with you on this video, so I'm going to need to play around with it some more, figure it out. Maybe I did something wrong up here, but this is what I mean. Like you'll be able to have these conversations with your students and like you'll have students saying like, no, let's erase line 2 and let's go back and fix line 1. Let's do 9 times 7 instead of 9 times 8. And that'll, so that is why I love Countle, because there are multiple ways. And you can have students do this, on their own paper. And then once they get it, okay, like come up and share how you did this so we can all kind of show everyone what it looks like. And then you could have, if you have another student who did it a different way, okay, let's show how you did it. That is the beauty of Countle because, again, it shows students that there's not just one way to get the right answer, right? There's different ways, there's different methods, different levels of thinking. And I love activities like this because it's going to allow those students who maybe are a little quieter, maybe who aren't as loud as some of your more outgoing kids, to give them a place to shine too, because sometimes those kids, like their thinking is just so different, and it's nice to be able to kind of hear them and give them an opportunity to shine a little bit as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will use Countle in your classroom. Please let me know in the comments what you think of Countle, what your students think of Countle, because it's such a I don't know, just a fun way, I think, to end class or start class and something different. So that's it for me. Until next time, bye for now.